ice is perfect! Let's go!
And we are live at the biggest adventure of the year. The golden egg has been found. With this design, we can use the momentum from the hill to launch the sled right over the ice cones. It's perfect for the sled ride.
The great winter adventure starts now! We are all set, Rex!
Let's show them what this team can do.
Listen up. We need to clear this path before the guests arrive. Blue team, you're with me. Red team, start on the decorations.
The sign is almost finished.
Ho! This one's heavy!
The soup smells wonderful.
You see, the sudden change in temperature caused the helium inside to condense, freezing the balloon solid. Perfect! That should hold up nicely for the festival.
Look at all the snowmen! They're incredible!
This is the best grand opening ever. I love the lights. Welcome to the Grand Festival Adventure. This year, we celebrate teamwork. Let the games begin! The dazzling spectacle and thrilling games you see are a testament to the teamwork involved in creating this unforgettable adventure.
Wow, look at that spin! Absolutely incredible performance!
simple. You want to aim for the center of the ice rings. Watch closely as I demonstrate the perfect toss.
Wow, look at that shot! We did it!
Teamwork makes the dream work. Here you are, fresh and hot. Perfect for a snowy day.
Thanks!
Nothing beats a warm slice of pie on a snowy day. Enjoy! Gather round, because it is finally time for the main event. Welcome to the Great Ice Sled Race. Welcome, everyone, to the most incredible ice track ever built. Prepare yourselves for the thrill of a lifetime.
Right, racers, remember the rules. This race is about teamwork and the adventurous spirit. Only one team will take home the Golden Snowflake Trophy.
Ready, set, let's go!
We're gonna win the Winter Festival Cup.
Good luck, everyone!
All right, Porky, the moment of truth. Are you ready for the ultimate snowball showdown?
All right, team. Time to show them what we've got.
Together.
I'm going on a solo adventure. Oink. Five, four, three, two, one. Mush. Lean hard into the curve, Lulu.
We got this, Rex. We did it! And we're off! MooMoo's guiding us smoothly through the winter wonderland. What an incredible ride, folks!
Moo! Squawk!
Folks, in a stunning upset, Porky the pig has taken the checkered flag. It's an accidental victory for the ages.
Oink! I meant to do that!
I finally got it! We won the Golden Snowflake!
Congratulations, Porky. You really earned that Golden Snowflake. It shows what great teamwork can achieve.
Golly, thanks, Rex. I couldn't have done it without you.
I have to say, Porky, your resilience and creative problem-solving were truly inspiring. Well done!
Remember, true joy isn't found in what we achieve alone, but in the adventures we share. By working together, look at what we built together. Every hoof, paw, and wing played a part. We faced the challenges, and because we worked as a Moo and Coco.
We found joy in our shared adventure, overcoming challenges through teamwork. That is the true warmth of our community.
This wonderful evening is all thanks to your hard work and teamwork. We faced every challenge together, and look at the result.
Wow, look at that one!
It's so beautiful!
Happy New Year, everyone! Hooray! We did it!
The Winter Ice Festival is the best!
Winter may be cold, but friends make it bright and warm. Work hard, stay cool, help others.
Next time, Rex and Lulu build the farm ice slide, but Porky turns it into a wild ride.